Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you another video I took during my vacation last July with my Mini 2. So this is a location I want to show you first. You see on the map here of Canada, I was in the province of Quebec on the right side on the Atlantic Ocean. And on the second map here we can see the big dot. I was about 150 kilometers east of Quebec City, or about 100 miles. Right on the St. Lawrence River in a small town called Kamouraska. It's a very small town, about 600 people, but it's a very nice town. The architecture of the houses, the location on the St. Lawrence River, which at that location is 20 kilometers wide. So that's just amazing. I want to say also that I do my video with my Mini 2 at 2.7K because it is 60 frames per second. If you do 4K, it goes down to 30. And when you do like a panorama, it is better at 60 frames per second, in my opinion. You get a smoother pan on the video. Also, don't miss my video on the Nanook case. I have a review on my channel. In my opinion, this is the best case that you can get for your Mini 2. Very nice, very sturdy, so highly recommended. So guys, I hope you like this little video of the village of Kamouraska, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.